It's now January 10th, 2024. It's a Wednesday. I'm back on night shift. We switched over there on the weekend. And last night it was like -10. And then this morning it started snowing. Now it's up to 4 degrees. Supposed to go up to 7 overnight. So all the snow melting, and the boys were out plowing all day. But I'm just out for a run. A few roads that didn't get a second run. They just got a lot of slush on them. So I'm just out making a run around, clean up the slush. Go back and clean the truck, put it away, and might be out again tomorrow night to call for some flurries, so see what happens. Pretty dark night. Everything's so black it's hard to see. You gotta take your time. Snow laying on this road to make it pretty slippery if you get the plow on it and take the slush off. January 13th, 2024, Saturday night at 6:20 p.m. I'm just out doing a salt run. The temperature was -10 last night and warmed up to about probably -1 right now. Hit a little flurry earlier, mostly in town. There's not much snow on the road out here, but I'm just out doing a quick salt run. Tonight the temperature's going up to +8 degrees Celsius and gonna rain and be quite windy. And then the temperature dropping again tomorrow night, so I think getting 3 to 9 centimeters tomorrow night, maybe. So today is January 16th, 2024, 7:15 in the evening. Out the county line, my turnaround spot. We were going out for a salt run and it started snowing pretty good, probably 3 or 4 centimeters, maybe more. But we end up plowing and winging all the way out, and now it's around 0, 1 degrees Celsius and it's starting to rain, and it's supposed to go up to 9 or 10 degrees Celsius tonight, which is pretty warm. We're just getting out and giving the roads a scrape, getting a little bit of salt down before they melt. Pretty slippery underneath right now, but in a few hours time they should be all melted off with the rain coming. Oh well, crazy maritime weather for you. What do you do? You can see that or not, but it's raining pretty good right now. p.m. The snow's changed the rain. Just raining a little bit right now. But it's supposed to rain a lot for the next few hours. I'm just giving the road a little scrape. You can see there's not much snow down, but just enough to make it slippery. And I plowed it off. It feels pretty icy, so I'm putting a little sprinkle of salt on it to help get the melting started. So this is my last road, I think, to do for now. I'm almost out of salt. I'll go back, see what they want me to do. If they gotta make another run, I'll make another run, but I think the rain's gonna take care of it now. So I'll just carry on and see what happens. Roads don't look that bad, but they're pretty icy underneath that little skiff of snow. January 20th, 2024, 10 to 10 in the morning. Look for a salt run again. Just started day shift today. Be back on days for the next 2 weeks. Pretty slow winter so far. Not too much snow to plow, but getting a few salt runs in. With a frozen mist there in the morning when I got up. The roads had a thin layer of ice on it and pretty slippery. We got a little bit of a flurry, not much.
Go ahead.
Leaving the shed, salt and brine, 26, 230.
Oh, I just came back. I'm unloading my load there. My salt spreader quit working halfway in from my run up to the county line. They sent a mechanic over from Rural, take a look at it, and we got it going there now. Someone else wants to finish my run, so I'm just unloading the salt. I'm gonna wash her up and see if we can find the problem, see what made her quit in the first place. So that's all for today. Getting some snow tonight, so I'll probably be out plowing again in the morning. So we got the salter fixed in the truck. It's working fine now. Got it all washed off and ready for the next shift. Supposed to be getting a little snow tonight, so looks like might be an early morning. I'm gonna do some plowing in the morning. So it is January 21st, 2024, 6:15 in the morning. I'm on day shift. I just called in early, so I'm out doing a salt run, doing a little plowing. Just a little bit of snow as usual. The boys were out all night plowing and salting, but it just snowed enough to keep the roads covered. Looks like we might be doing that all day today. Chance of freezing rain, so we'll get the salt down before the freezing rain. Could help things when the daylight comes. Slow winter. So it's now 10:30 in the morning. We've been chasing snowflakes all day. Just when you get the roads black, it starts snowing again. Just enough to keep us going. I'd rather get a foot of snow than an inch of snow. At least to get something to do. I think it's going to do this all day. They said something about freezing rain this afternoon, so get enough salt on the road that should handle the freezing rain. See what happens. It's turned into a regular snowstorm now. I just came up this road 10 minutes ago and it's white as over again already. Drove about 5 miles, now it's not snowing anymore. Now it's snowing heavy again. Just can't get ahead of this stuff today. In getting a load of brine right now. I'm gonna load up my third load and head back out. It's around noon now and the snow's coming heavier now than it did all day. And I just talked to somebody, they said it's supposed to get a big shot of snow this afternoon for 3 hours. Probably take us up to quitting time, and then the night shift will have to worry about it. Now 10 to 2 in the afternoon, and it's snowing pretty good now. Now when I finish this round, it'll be time to go home. So the snow stopped again, so I don't know if it's over or if it's gonna start up. I got my main roads looking pretty good right now, and that could change in 5 minutes if it starts snowing again. Somebody put her in the rhubarb. Now January 22nd, 9:30 in the morning. I'm out for a salt run. Plowed all day yesterday, and the temperature dropped down to -10 last night, so there's a few icy spots. So I'm just going out, make my rounds, and go back and get a load of sand and do my reclaims. It'll be a nice sunny day, so the road should clear off good with a little salt. In the afternoon, I've finished all my run, and I've sent out to do a few roads for one of my partners there that got finished last night. So yeah, nice sunny day to be driving around. Salt's working good, kind of warm, nice view down here down at Pictou Harbour. It's the town of Pictou across the way. So I'm just down where they put the lobster boats in Pictou Landing. I'm gonna jump in the truck and make my way back to the shop. I'm gonna get some of this snow and ice off the truck and put her away and get her ready for the next trip. Look at that big anchor. It's January 25th. We had another little snowfall this morning. Just probably about an inch or two, and now it's warming up. The salt's working great, so one round should clear this up. Saturday morning, January 27th. It's like 5 to 7 in the morning. We're out for another little bit of plowing and a salt run. It's probably, I don't know, 3, maybe 4 centimeters of snow down overnight. And just going out and making my rounds. I think the snow's supposed to end there any time now. It was snowing on the way out, but it's kind of clear now, so hopefully it'll be a short day. The road's cleaned up. We'll enjoy the afternoon with my wife. So that's all we got for this week anyways. Stay tuned. More snow is coming. Thanks for watching.